Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm HD Signatures. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys are doing great. Yes, so today's video guys, I'm going to be doing unboxing, reviewing, try on contact lenses. So Mislen sent me few contact lenses to try on and I am super excited to share it with you guys. So if you are interested, please keep on watching guys. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what I have in this package. I have 5 pairs of contact lenses. And these are their names. And I also got this in the package guys. So guys, and this card came in the pack and this is a thank you and instruction on how to use the contact lenses, and on this side their social media handle in case you want to check them out. So guys, let's go into try on of this, and also I'm going to be leaving the link to all the contact lenses that I'm going to be trying on in this video. So guys, I got you, so keep on watching guys. Guys, the first contact lens I'm going to be trying on is P. So guys, before going ahead to fix your contact lenses, make sure your hands are washed. I already washed my hands, and make sure the case you're going to be putting the contact lens is really clean. This is one eye with the lens and this is my natural pupil. So guys, this is P. This looks really nice, like it complements my skin tone and I love the color. It feels so light and really soft. So guys, I'm going to be going ahead on to the next one. Moving on to the next one is hazel and hazel. So guys, this is hazel and hazel. So this looks nice. Guys, so on to the next one guys. So the next pair we are moving on to is gray. I feel like this very one just go well with my makeup. It's making me look like a doll. I don't know if it's just me, but this is making me look like a doll. What do you guys think? And it has a round, like a black, round lining or outer line. This part here with it, so that is giving it, like a doll look. I mean, that's what I can say about these contact lenses, but I love it guys. Like, I thought I've seen my best with hazel, but this gray is really nice and I'm loving it guys. So guys, let's move on to the next one. So they have a campaign going on right now that is called Try It Out. Basically, Try It Out is about those of you that are hesitant in trying out contact lenses or in getting it. So you get to try out a contact lenses, a daily disposable contact lenses for free. All you need to do is to go over to their website, sign up and become a member, and you get to try it out for free guys. I mean, this is a great opportunity for those of you that, you know, you are hesitant in trying out contact lenses or maybe in getting one. So this is a great opportunity for you guys. So guys, the next contact lens we're going to be trying on is Heiss. I can't wait to see what this eyes is going to look like. Like, it's barely noticeable in the disposable pack. I'm really eager to see what this eyes is going to look like. Oh wow. My eyes are red, guys, excuse me. So I'm going to use Vicin. So I got Vicin supposedly because of this, because my eyes turns red quickly once I start, you know, going there every now and then. It start turning red. But guys, wow, this is really beautiful, guys. This is really beautiful. Like, I like this so much. I don't know which is my favorite. Anyways, we still have one left, so let's go ahead and try that out. Yeah. Okay guys, this is the last pair and we have Ved. Wow, this Ved is fine. So guys, we have come to the end of this contact lenses try on from Mislen. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys found your favorite. I don't even know which is my favorite of all these contact lenses. Like, I love all the contact lenses. They all suit me. I love how they look on me. Like, I see, I'm still wearing the Ved. I'm going to be leaving the link to each contact lenses in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and click on that link. Yeah, I'm going to be leaving my referral link down in the comment section, and so you guys can get 20% off your order, guys. So guys, let me know down in the comment section which of these contact lenses is your favorite, your absolute favorite. Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.